I'm so proud to announce the launch of the JCPS Junior Athletic Directors Program, a groundbreaking initiative for 10th and 11th graders that combines academics, brings in leadership skills and real-world experiences in the field of sports administration.
We've got 6 schools that will be part of it. We've got Central, Fairdale, PRP, Ballard, Fern Creek, and Western.
This position has taught me to respect and appreciate the hard work of the athletic department. To make sure every sport is considered and involved, sporting events have practice and matches are well planned and enforced.
We expect to see some great things coming from you. We expect you to maybe become an athletic director, please become a teacher, but more importantly, the leadership skills that you have and will develop from this is the main reason we are here.
Our junior ADs will receive training from our current ADs and will have a deep understanding of the job. They were selected for their leadership in the classroom and for their love of sports. It is my hope that this hands-on experience will help them with game management, marketing, and safety.
I've learned that there's a significant amount of work involved in being an actual AD that is often unseen.
I was really surprised looking into what an athletic director does. So, sort of on the surface, you don't understand, everything his day-to-day, but this gives me the opportunity to look at it.
One of the most exciting aspects of this is the collaboration, the partnership with the University of Louisville Athletics Department. This collaboration gives our students a chance to learn from collegiate-level experts while sitting in the seats in our high schools.
Learn about the TV timeouts. You'll learn about the concessions. You'll learn about the announcers and what they need to announce, everything that goes on the scoreboards, everything goes on the video wall.
The program will teach my students so much more than just sports management. It will show the junior ADs what it takes to build a successful team from the ground up.
The Junior Athletic Director Program is one more way we're helping our young people to dream big.